Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be a hairstyle video. Today's video is not going to be a makeup tutorial. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. When it comes to style my hair or to do anything with my hair, I am pretty bad. Like, I'm really bad. I am trying out this hairstyle for quite a amount of time because if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will see different pictures where I have this hairstyle. Now, one of you guys actually commented on my previous video, want to see a sleek bun hair tutorial. I was like, okay, I should actually show you guys how I personally do it because I am a complete beginner. I am not a professional. I just don't know how to do hair. When it comes to my hair, I am pretty bad. I think this is the first or second time maybe I'm showing you guys a hair tutorial, and I'm quite excited for today's video. Sleek bun look looks very easy, and it's kind of a 5-minute thing. If you're someone like me and if you have this kind of curly frizzy hair, it can be a little tough for you. I hope you guys will find this video helpful, and if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have pretty curly and frizzy hair. Another thing that I'm gonna mention, if you have greasy or oily scalp, or if you haven't washed your hair for 3-4 days now, I think that's a perfect timing. You can do a sleek bun look because that oily scalp or that greasy hair will actually help you to get that sleek look. What product you actually need? You need some rubber bands. Now, why I'm showing you guys 4 rubber bands, I don't know, but you just need some rubber band. Need a brush. Now you can actually go for a paddle brush or a round brush. If you have very thick hair, make sure you use a round brush because you can actually brush your hair really well. Just control your frizziness and you can get that sleek look. So you can use a tail comb just to section your hair, but I'm gonna use this brush right over here. This works really well for me. You need some kind of gel. You can use aloe vera gel, you can use coconut oil, you can use any gel that you have. This thing is really optional. You do not need this gel. I am just showing you guys how to just perfectly smooth out your sleek bun look. You just need a gel. You can go with a coconut oil as well, or any kind of oil or anything that you have. Aloe vera gel will work really well, but I'm just showing you guys this one because I have this one. It's the TIGI Frizz Control Hair Gel. This is actually a straightening gel, as I'm not going to use any heat styling product because I have curly hair, and you use a heat styling product, it will actually destroy your curls. That's it. That's what you actually need. Rubber band, brush, and a gel, aloe vera gel or anything like that. That's completely optional. For the first step, I am going to part my hair. You can do whatever you like. You can do hair, or you can do a middle parting as well. I have to do a middle parting, so that's the reason I am going to do it. You can use a tail comb for this, but I think that's fine. Now, after sectioning your hair, just grab all your hair just like this. I have a curly hair, so I am not going to brush it too much because it will make my hair more frizzy. So here, as you guys can see, we are going to manage all this afterwards. Take my rubber band and I am tightly going to make a ponytail just like this. Twist your hair like this, just like this, and take your rubber band and just secure your bun. So here I have my bun. A sleek bun look can be different types. It can be high, it can be a low sleek bun. So this is what we are going for today. Now for the final step, what you are going to do, you have to manage this frizzy situation right over here. Now here comes the part where you have to use your gel. To use it like this, brush all your hair. If you have a hair like this, which is like very annoying, what you can actually do, I'm just gonna show you. is the finished look. I am so happy how my slick bun look actually turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not a professional, I'm just a beginner when it comes to my hair. I think as my first try it's good enough. If you recreate my sleek bun look, don't forget to send me or DM me on my Instagram. I will love to repost your pictures. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section below what video you want to see next. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Rolling buzz down, I just touched down, don't do no lean, put the crush down.